promise I'll break down exactly what it is about bad boys into 5 ways that women find irresistible. But before I do, I need to make sure we're all on the same page. Let's just clear up the pervasive myth that all women are attracted to a specific type of man. They're not. But in general, yes. Listen, the term bad boy is often linked with men displaying negative traits, drawing criticism for promoting undesirable behavior. This mindset is believed to lead individuals astray, associating them with criminals, fighters, addicts, and offenders. However, if we look beyond these stereotypes and examine the concept more deeply, the term bad boy can represent powerful masculine characteristics. A bad boy is not just a man in a leather jacket, covered in scars or tattoos, riding a motorbike and smoking. Like number 1, this is a man who knows what he wants. He goes after it. Similarly, selfish is often viewed negatively. In today's world, we're encouraged to be selfless and prioritize others. Yet without having something to offer, we can't truly help others. Without strength, how can we assist someone with heavy groceries? Without skills, how can we fix a flat tire? Without financial means, how can we pay for dinner or support a family? To be genuinely capable and helpful, we must first build our own value. This requires understanding our desires, prioritizing our needs, and taking consistent action. Being selfish is part of human nature. Ignoring this can be detrimental. Selfish men succeed because they focus on becoming competent and capable before assisting others. Decisions should prioritize our own perspectives, even if it means offending others along the way. Making significant achievements often requires not catering to everyone. This is why such individuals are labeled as bad boys, because they don't have the time to cater to everyone's immediate needs, as they are focused on the bigger picture. Number 2, men who don't ask for permission for anything. This is a topic I haven't thoroughly discussed before. Why would any grown man be completely subservient to other people's opinions or judgments regarding his values, interests, and lifestyle when those people do not share the same experiences or responsibilities as he does? As men, we understand the rewards and consequences of our choices. By acknowledging these and committing to all necessary responsibilities, we embrace our decisions with passion and fervor. The desperate need for external validation stems from a severe lack of effective moral support from one's own circle and a lack of practice in self-assurance and autonomy. If you enjoy playing the guitar or being in a band, don't give it up because your friends think you should. If you love reading books or novels, don't abandon this interest because someone called you a nerd. Defend your autonomy with persistent grace, resolute enthusiasm, humor, and an air of unmitigated confidence. Some people may eventually change their perspectives about you, even if it takes time. Our refusal to please or yield to their demands, which are often driven by their own ego investments, is why we are sometimes seen as the bad boys. Number 3, men who are adventurous. We men are naturally curious and adventurous, seeking conquests. Yet in today's age, we are constantly encouraged to follow rules and societal conditioning designed to tame and domesticate us. With distractions like Netflix, video games, and social media, many men are becoming part of an indoor generation, reluctant to explore the world and engage with practical, real-life experiences. This leads to a timid, fragile, and fearful existence. We sedate ourselves with artificial conquests in video games and idealistic scenarios in movies. Taking risks is essential for personal growth, and it has never been more crucial for men to embrace this than today. Nothing is more anxiety-inducing yet exhilarating than taking a significant risk with a high chance of failure, but an equally high chance of success. Whether it's a vague hope or a well-planned endeavor, these opportunities for growth are vital, especially for those searching for purpose. Of course, these risks don't always have to be monumental. The key is to seek out novel experiences. Our loved ones will always want to keep us safe and comfortable. But if we're honest, we all crave a bit of excitement. Without it, life becomes habitually boring. A tendency to be rebellious and take risks, sometimes unnecessary ones, is likely why our life expectancy is lower than women's. But it's also why women love us. With number 4, men who don't apologize for their imperfections. Many of us have tried to become, or at least envision ourselves as the ideal man, perfect, without flaws. But in reality, we know this is impossible. We all have our imperfections. Social media, which often highlights only the best parts of our lives, can make us fear criticism and judgment, leaving us with an ignorance or lack of appreciation for our inherent flaws. When it comes to character flaws, I'm referring to ethical and moral ones, not unethical or immoral behaviors. If you have serious issues like being abusive, you should apologize and work to improve. However, ethical and moral flaws, such as the shape of your nose, your hair pattern, your inability to multitask, occasional clumsiness, stubbornness, or disinclination towards grand romantic gestures, should be embraced. Perfection is bland because it leaves nothing to fascinate about. While striving for improvement is admirable, complete perfection leads to meaninglessness. Embrace your flaws because they make you unique and intriguing. Some people may dislike you for them, but that's life. Not everyone is meant to get along, and you shouldn't apologize for being distinct. If people try to change you, stand your ground and tell them to mind their own business. Number 5. Men with ruthless self-respect. I don't think this needs much further explanation. Being able to say no, walk away, stand up for yourself, and call out someone for their inconsiderate behavior indicates ultimate self-respect. You're not here to be used as a doormat, punching bag, or scapegoat. People nowadays often try to get ahead by taking advantage of others and bullying their way into relevance. They rarely face consequences for their increasingly egotistical and borderline neurotic misconduct. Usually, it falls on you to put them on the defensive and give them a taste of their own medicine, because they'll continue their behavior if you don't. Sure, you might be labeled for hurting their feelings by calling them out, but who cares about their feelings? Be clear about who you allow into your life and who you cast out, as this will significantly impact your well-being. Never drown in self-pity over losing someone from your circle. Let's be honest, people don't mean that much when everything is going smoothly and conveniently. We all have a bit of a rebellious streak within us, and deep down, we wish we could confront those who wrong us without hesitation. You could do just that if you stop trying so hard to win everyone's approval. However, there is a caveat to this mentality. Reputation matters a lot these days. We often have to be more considerate in showcasing who we truly are. Sometimes we need to wear a mask and play a role before gradually revealing our true character. Different situations require different approaches, so assess the circumstances before making your move. Bad boy means standing firm in your values, taking risks, and respecting yourself unapologetically. Remember to be true to yourself, pursue your passions, and never let external opinions dictate your path. If you found these lessons valuable, like and subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on living life boldly and authentically. Stay adventurous, stay confident, and keep being you.